Netumbo Ndempelila Nandi Ndaitwa, SWAPO Party of Namibia, 638,560. Shumbua Erastus Action Democratic Movement, 2,069. Bernarda Swartboy Landless People's Movement, 51,160. Thomas Festus Body of Christ, 3,641. McHenry Benani Kanyonokere Popular Democratic Movement, 55,412. By the powers vested in me as the chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Namibia, I, Elsie Tulengepo Ikembwa, hereby declare that Netumbo Ndempelila Nandi Ndaitwa